In today's video, we are going to show you how to read charts on Expert Option. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Understanding the chart is one of the most important skills in trading because it helps you identify trends, potential entry points, and market direction. Once you are in the trading panel, you need to select an asset here on the drop-down menu. This chart shows how the asset price changes over time. So you can select from any trading asset such as commodities, index, currencies, or even cryptocurrency. In this case, I am going to choose Euro to USD. I'm going to select the asset. Before analyzing the chart, let's understand the two main axes. So the vertical axis or the price axis located on the right side of the chart shows the current price of the assets, right? Now the horizontal axis, which is going to be the time axis located at the bottom, shows the passage of time. As time moves forward, the chart updates with new price movements as you can see it from here. Okay? Now, most traders prefer using the candlestick chart because it provides the most information. For you to be able to add a candlestick, you have to go to the instruments at the bottom here. You see, you can choose the graph style from area, line, and candles, because each candles represents each price movement during a specific period. A candlestick consists of the open price, close price, higher price, and the lowest price. Now, you would notice there is like a green candle here. You see that? I'm going to maximize this one. The green candle means the price closed higher than it opened. Okay? This indicates buying pressure, while the red candle means the price closed lower than it opened. This indicates selling pressure. So the longer the candle body is, the stronger the buying or selling momentum. Now, remember, instead of focusing on every indicator, you need to spend time watching how the price moves. So ask yourself, is the market trending up or down? Is the price near support or resistance? And the more charts you analyze, the easier it becomes to recognize trading opportunities. Basically, that's it for today's video on how to read charts on Expert Option. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.